Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MongoDB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure MongoDB sharding on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we have a tutorial link, so we'll go through that link and step-by-step process is given there. So let me open this link. This link will be available with the YouTube video description. So I'm opening this link. So here step-by-step process is given. So setting up MongoDB setting on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS involves configuring multiple MongoDB instances across different server or containers. So below the step-by-step guide for setting MongoDB setting on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we required Ubuntu 24.04 LTS installed in all the machine involved in the setting. Minimum 3 servers or virtual servers we required. So I'm taking here 4 servers, one server for the configuration server, another 2 servers I am taking for the setting servers, and one server for the Mongo's router server. So distribution request to the appropriate sets will be available from there. So let me open with the all the servers. So I'm running all the servers in the VMware. So VMware workstation I'm running with that. So there is a running 24.04 LTS. So all the servers are running with the same. Let me access this server. So SSH DPT. I'm while installing, I have given the username is DPT 192.168.224.129. This is my first server. So admin at the rate 123 password in my case. So while installing, you have given the password. So this is my server 192, 168 and 129. Second server we have 130, and meanwhile I'm accessing the fourth server 131, and we have one fourth server 132. So I'm accessing on the sudo user all the servers. So let me rename first servers. So this is my first server. I am renaming this one. So that will be the config server. Config server 129. Second is sharding server 130, and this one also by sharding server 131, and last one Mongo server, so 132. So I've given the name. I'm just changing the tab color. So red, leave it black, yellow, and blue. So all the first four server I have given the different color. Now I'm just going through the side by side. Yes. Okay, so for all four servers are there. So all the four servers I have access. Now I'm going to the step-by-step process. So firewall open ports 27017 for the each Mongo's instance and 27019 for the config server communication. So if firewall is open, then you have to open these ports. So in my case, firewall is off. So you can check UFW status. On the all the servers, it will be inactive. So similar, I am just running with the same. So firewall you can open, and step one, install MongoDB on all servers. So this is 129, 130, 131 and 132, all the servers I need the MongoDB. So import the public key. So now I'm going to install curl for the all the servers. So in the first we have seen the server. So this one is completed. Now I'm going to import the Mongo public GPG key for all the servers. So first server I'm running same, second, this one is third server, this one fourth server. So go to the first. So completed. Now create the list file. So this is the source list file. I have to create that. So run this command. It will create the etc app source list file MongoDB org 8.0. So I'm installing here 8.0. So just copy this one, run this command in all the servers. Okay. Now update. So one by one I'm doing update. So update is running. So reload the package database while updating means the command with the this will just update the local package databases. So in fourth number we'll install the MongoDB community server. So you can install the either the latest stable version of MongoDB or a specific version of MongoDB server. So install the latest version is stable version, issue the following. So you have to run this command. So sudo apt -get install -y. This is accessing for the y and MongoDB dash org. So I'll run this command to all the servers. Let me meanwhile I'm going to rename 129. So we can able to see the IP on top of that. So this one is 130, 131, and last one is 132. Okay. So first our update is command is completed. Now I'm going to install the MongoDB database. So running with the same. So first and in the second server, all four servers we need the MongoDB. So step by step we are running the same thing for the all the servers. You can go through the documentation and step by step follow the documentation. You will get the result. So MongoDB started. So in this command, this installing the MongoDB database tool, and MongoDB database org server, shell, and org tools. So all the related component it will install. So in my previous video, you can able to see the MongoDB installation for the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Though there I'll you will get the detailed information about the installation. Here we'll installing directly to the MongoDB. And if you want to install the specific version, then you can run with the apt-get and MongoDB org. Specific version you can get it there. So let it complete. So you can able to see their component. So there is a now it is running with the MongoDB org mongos, and previously it was completed this thing MongoDB org. So all the four servers we need the MongoDB. So I'm running the same command for the all, and we're just installing on that. So in YouTube video tutorial, a YouTube video description, I will just provide the URL for the this documentation. So you can go through, open this URL and open the MongoDB step-by-step process given there, and you can follow the video so you can install easily. So unpacking now is the Mongos means MongoDB shell. We're waiting for the complete the MongoDB installation. So check all the four servers. So second one also running the same. This one third one, this one fourth one. This is running the Mongos. So there is a Mongo org server is completed. Now running with the Mongo org tools. Yeah, near about to complete it. Yeah, completed. Now I am going to enable the MongoDB for the all the servers. So copied this command. So systemctl enable Mongo. So just one server is completed. So I have run this command. Second server also completed. I have run that command enable. So system reboot it will work, and automatically when system will reboot the MongoDB service will start automatically. So all the servers I have done the same thing. Okay. So this is completed. Now step 2, configure the config server. So now I'm going to work with the 129 server only. So this is my 129 server. So config server store the metadata for the shared cluster. So all the metadata for the shared cluster, it will just give the information. So edit MongoDB config file. So there is a config file. This is the path. I'm going to edit this one. So here I'll just do the bind address. I'll change one by one. So port I'm going to change 2701 27019, and port I'm going to 0.0.0. Go to the next. So replication, in replication I'm going to give the name, so config replica set, and sharding I have to write the cluster role, there's a config server. Now I'm going to write and create. Next, start the config server. So sudo systemctl start mongod. So services started. Now initial config server replica set from the MongoDB shell. So initialize that one. So run this command. I port is 27019. So connected with that, so I am able to access the test. So this is completed. Now I'm going to run the following command to initiate the configuration replica set for this configuration. Just copy this command and run this one. So operation timestamp is this. So this is completed. I'm not getting any error on that. Next, configure the set server. So now I'm going to move to 130 and 131. So 130 and 131 server I'm going to move, and each set server will be storage subset of data for the cluster. Edit MongoDB config file. So there is a config file. So I'm going to work with the 130 first, then I will move to the 131. So I'm just opening the configuration file. So same, I'll go there and I'll just change the bind address, then replication and sharding. So in replication, I'll just put it the replication set name. So this was the sets replica set 1. And sharding, I'm just going to put this one set server. Done. I'm going to save this file. So save. Now I'm going to start the MongoDB services. So started. If you have a doubt, then you can check with the status. So this is an active and running. Next, initialize the set replica set. So I'm going to access the Mongo shell with this command. So access is success. Now I'm going to initiate the set replica set 1. Copy this. Okay, directly secondary. So set replica set 1. This is completed. Now same thing I'm going to do with the second server. So 131. So this is a 131 server. So configuration, change the bind address, replication, and setting. I'm going to add this. This is the replica set 2. And shading, I'm giving the name for the set server cluster role is set server. Now I'm going to close this one. Now I'm going to start this server. So started. Then connect to the each set server for the MongoDB shell. So I'm going to connect with the Mongo shell. So connected. Now connect the okay, connected. Now I'm initialize the service. So initiate the service. So done. So initiate service is successful. Next, configure the Mongo's router. So this is the 132. So now move to the last server, that is 132 server, and here I'm going to just add this file, create a file mongos.config. So this file will be not available there. So I'm going to just create one file. Here I'll just setting config db. So I'll just config the replica set and 129 the config db server. I'm going to connect this one and bind at IP 0.0.0.1 sorry 0 and port is 27.017. Now start the Mongo's process. So now my configuration file is changed to the mongos.config. So I'm just with that just newly created file, I'm just going to run this command. So start running, and now just I'll create one more. So I'll access this server. This one again. I'm going to put IP 132, 132 SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.224.132. So I'm accessing the same server with the new tab. Here I'll run the remaining things. So verify the Mongoose router, connect to the Mongoose instance. So I'm just connecting the Mongoose instance from here. So this is a direct Mongoose. So I'm able to access the Mongoose instance. So one by one, if you go there, then you will see the difference. So this is a config replica set. Second is set replica set 1. Third is set replica set 2. And fourth, I'm just running the configuration. And fifth one, same 132 server I'm accessing with the fifth. That is a direct Mongoose test. Okay. So in this server, I'll just add the set to the cluster. So from Mongo shell, you can add the each. So I'm running one by one and adding this. So 130 is the shared one. So this is added. Second, I'm going to add. So both the set server added in the Mongo. Now enabling the sharding of the database. So I'm just creating one database. There is self-sorted database. And I'm just shading the collection. So particular collection I'm going to shade. So the I'm product collection I'm just going to shade that. So copy this one. So this part is completed. Now I'm going to confirm the shading as a setup. So use this sh.status. So this is the command. It will give you all the information about shading. So go somewhat. So in this command you can able to see from starting I'm going. So status. So shading version you are getting and shared. So there is a replica set 1 and replica set 2 are in set. So state 1, state 1. So 130 is there, 131 is there. Both the servers are running in the set. So active Mongo is 1, and this was auto split. So currently enable yes, and currently running balancer, no, balancer is not running, currently enable yes. You can able to see all the information about the setting. And set database distribution. So there is a sales order and production, product, and set replica set 1. And here you can able to see set replica set, the set distribution also in 1. And here you can able to see replica set 1. So the set is completed. So it will command will detail about the configuration, set distribution, and status of the set cluster. MongoDB set cluster should now ready for the production use. Let me know if you like to further details on the any specific part. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. So thank you for watching. Hope this will help.